Hey hi! With just a handful of ingredients, learn to make classic dosas with my easy recipes and step-by-step method. I also cover of making your own dosa batter in a blender, along with the tips on fermentation and making perfect crispy dosa. Let's start!
Hey guys, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cookings. Let's start our today's recipe.
No matter at all if you are a new to dosa or a skillful cook, these tips and tricks will guide you to make the perfect and best dosa ever. So start the recipe by adding 1.5 cup of rice to a bowl. Along with that, so first if you want to use regular rice, you can use. Otherwise, the Sona Masuri rice is very best option for this dosa or idli batter. Now along with rice, we will add half a cup of black whole lentils and 1/3 cup of chana dal, which is Bengal gram, and a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. So basically fenugreek seeds will help us to make the batter fermented well. Now rinse everything thoroughly a few times and soak in lots of filter water for at least 4 hours. So now it's been almost 4 to 5 hours and now our soaked mixture is ready to be ground. Separate the extra water of it and make smooth and fine batter out of it. You can grind rice and dal separately too. So at this point, first look at the batter texture. About the consistency, I will talk further in the video. So your dosa batter must be smooth, frothy and bubbly. So now here I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, and if you want you can add salt before or after fermentation too. So it's absolutely okay, whenever you want to add salt you can add. Now at this point, if needed more water you can add, but don't make it too thin to pour. And to ferment the batter, you just need to cover and ferment it in a warm place. Basically, it may take anywhere from 5 to 16 hours depending on the temperature of the region. So after fermentation, look at the amazing and flowy and smooth texture of the batter. If you want to check the batter is well fermented or not, just drop half a spoon of this batter into a bowl of water, and if the batter is well fermented, it will float on water. Once the batter is well fermented, stir it gently and take required portion of to a small bowl. Keep the rest of the batter in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks. You can use it very easily. Now it's time to spread it all over the tawa. Let's start. And now you can see I am using cast iron large tawa for spreading dosa. If your batter is not getting spread on iron tawa, then there is an issue with your batter. Perfect batter just need iron tawa with the perfect temperature. And to maintain the temperature of the griddle, you just need to heat the griddle or tawa on the medium-high flame. Drop some oil over it and spread it with tissue paper. Now sprinkle some drops of water along with turning the flame on low. Wipe out all the water with the same oily tissue. Believe me, this method personally works for me, though there are so many other ways of making dosa. But this is the perfect way. I mean, this is my way. So do believe and try it. Now you have to just spread the dosa perfectly, as we have already made the dosa batter perfectly. It will spread it out so amazingly. You also can notice some small pockets over the dosa. This is the best texture of the dosa, so you can try this way. And if we talk about the way of spreading out the dosa batter, it is not a rocket science at all. You just need to have some patience and just spread it with the help of the ladle, starting from the center in an outward circular motion in a clockwise direction. It's so easy. Our beautiful crispy and brown dosa is ready to serve you. If you want, you can fill it with potato filling, and otherwise you can have it with sambar and green coconut chutney. I love my dosa with sambar and chutney only. So serve as you want and do let me know how the recipe is. I will meet you very soon. Till then, take care, a good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.